back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and I do sewing and crafting tutorials. But today it's Friday Sews, and that's where we share a little bit about sewing, a little bit about life, and what's been going on. Well, this week I've had a really fun week. Our youngest son, Robyn, has been here for the next few weeks to spend Christmas with us. So I've been cooking all his favorite meals and enjoying our son together. Today I want to share with you how I organize all my gift cards. You know when you get a whole bunch of gift cards and then they get stuck down in your purse or your wallet and you forget about them, or they get lost and you don't know where they are when you need them? Well, this is how I organize mine. I've done this for years. I go to Dollar Tree and I buy this photo album. Remember these back in the day when our photos used to be in here, but now they're in our phone, when my phone is right there filming me. But now all our photos are in our phone, but we used to carry these for photos. But I use this for my coupons and also for my gift cards. It makes it so easy because I have a big purse. I carry a backpack because I like to have everything with me. You know, I'm a bee and I like to be organized. So I take this photo album and I put my gift cards in here like this. And it keeps them individual so I can go through here and see what gift cards I have. And I keep notes of fabric and things I'm looking for when I'm at the fabric store. And I keep fabric swatches for colors that I'm looking to go with this for a quilt that I'm doing. And then I have other gift cards for shopping. And then after all that shopping, you gotta eat. So I have my gift cards for going out to eat. Yum. So I keep those in there, and then in the back I keep my paint swatches in case I'm looking for something to match these paint colors. And then, let's see, oh, and this one. And then I keep track. I usually have the receipt in here, and I usually mark or circled on the receipt how much money I have left. So that way I know right away how much I have left on that card. This one I just wrote on a piece of paper what I have left, $5.36. So I found this to be so convenient and easy to keep track of all my gift cards and coupons and notes and fabric swatches for when I go shopping. So I just wanted to share that little tip with you guys in case you have a lot of gift cards that you want to keep track of, and fabric swatches and coupons and things like that. I love this, and it comes in so handy when I'm shopping. Well, this week I just finished filming a tutorial where I made this fabric memory game. And this video will be posted sometime this weekend as soon as I can get it edited and up. I'm just going to show you how to make this adorable fabric memory game. I made this for my grandson for his birthday coming up in May. So I'll show you how to do that coming up soon. We're going to go shopping together and go to this quaint little town that has all these little shops that just look like a Hallmark Channel small town, and we're going to go walk around there and see all the lights. I'm looking forward to that, and go to the tea room they have there. That's so much fun. So I'm looking forward. I can't wait to go do that with my husband and our son, and mostly hanging out with my son and getting to only do a little bit of sewing. So it was fun making this, and me and him, you'll see at the end of that video, me and my son play a game of memory game at the end of that video. And you'll see who won at the end if you watch till the end. So that was really fun. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a so blessed day and have fun organizing all your gift cards you get for Christmas.